It's 5:30 already, as I was informed on our intercom system, yelling down the stairs. In any case, this is the design of the chassis. This is the first piece I was able to print and put together, and I do have some changes I've already incorporated up there. There's the opening for the fan that I learned on the last one. This is the motor controller. This is the power distribution board. These are the 2 volt regulators. One is for the smoke and the other one is for the puff and chuff device. And this is a signal collector that comes in from the motor. Not sure what these do. Oh, I know, they go into the motor. Okay, this text tells us the direction the motor's in, forward or reverse, and that's or running or not. That was it, running or not. If the motor is not running, yet we have track power, the fan goes into neutral or low speed. That's it. That's what that's for. Whew. I'm losing it. And I tried to get the white wheels on. Leon, I don't think is mechanical. The wheels were not assembled properly, so I had a lot of trouble with that. I got them together, and I've got the gear centered better than it was. It's always a pain in the butt, but if you can look down in there, right down there, you'll see a big old shim, because that hub was flat, worn flat, and the rim was touching the wheel. And you know that's not right. We don't want the rims touching the wheel, but I got them now, okay? So I've got those guys. I've got this guy started. This is how that's going to look, right? This is how that's going to look with the body on it, like that. And this is the board that I had to take all this stuff off in order to put that together. But I got to populate that board yet. That doesn't go like that. It goes like that. And that's what I got done today. I know. It's just like, what? What did you do all day? It wasn't easy. Just one thing after another. This thing was fighting. This thing was fighting. This thing is not square, and it's not equal. I mean, he built this, okay, and I understand all that. But my stuff doesn't know that. And so this end is narrower. This end is narrower than that end. So when I made it all one dimension, it didn't fit. Okay. Then when I did get it to fit, it was a gap over here. You know, you just got to let go what you can, right? And then I couldn't find my standoff, so I had to steal them off of my real Royal Blue tender system that I was building. And they work well. So now I got to find the file, print 4 of them, get going again. I had to change rolls on the fly, and I did that. That worked out great. This new filament is a little more transparent to me anyway, but it does print nice, I have to say. So that's what happened today. And so I'm assembling this. These are just all done deals. We've built these boards. I have them. Dan Shook builds them for me. He's just been awesome helping. And then these you buy, and then everything else we build and put together. Oh, it's reminding. It's trash day. Okay, it's trash day. I got to go up and take the trash. Okay, gang. Well, not much to show and tell, but at least you see the assembly progress is going forward. Tomorrow, I think we have medical stuff going on, and I think we have something going on Wednesday or Thursday. I forget, but this week is going to be a hit and miss. All right, I'll get back to you when I can. Later.